Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subbies, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, this is a video that I really didn't think I wanted to do, but I'm gonna take a stab at it. I'm gonna use these little small ones. These were the ones that were $3 for $1 at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna call these Christmas journals. I only have 7 of these, and I'm just gonna cover them with some Christmas paper. Used the scraps to create a page marker. I punched out this hello to go on top of the page marker from some scrap red that I have. I got these pockets. These are the ones that you get at Target. I'm going to put these in. I got some ribbon, Christmas ribbon somewhere. I'm going to create just one little paper clip. I'm going to add a pen, just a regular pen. I'm not going to even put paper in it. And a binder clip, and gonna call it a day. And I don't know how much I'm gonna charge for these. Of course, that's where you guys come in. So if you want to see this video, just stay tuned. The first thing I'm gonna do is cover this with double-sided adhesive. This is the Basic brand, and I actually ordered this from offline. Oops. This is the only thing I hate about this. Whenever I want to do this, it always happens. Never fails. So I'm going to cover this book. I'm going to cover it all the way around. I always start at the spine and work my way to the rest of the book. Alright, last piece. Okay, now I have to get my papers, and I've already cut them. I used the Christmas stack that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I cut these down to, oh, what did I cut them to? I think it was 9 by like 6.5. So let me grab one. Just make sure here. Yeah, see, it's a little bit bigger, and that works. So now I just need to start taking off this double-sided stick tape. Okay, I chose this sheet right here real fast too, and I just put a slight bend in it. I didn't put a real crease in it. And what we're going to do, or what I do, is I remove the tape from the spine first, and halfway these other pieces, like this one right here, just halfway. This piece right here, from the sticky side, from the spine back, just about halfway on both sides. And the reason why I do it like this, because I had this habit of being lazy and letting the paper fall or whatever fall, and it gets stuck in the wrong place. So that's how it looks when I start. Like I said, I just put a slight bend here, and I go right into the bend from here, just like so. I just got it in the bend, and I smooth it out, and now I can pull it. I can go ahead on now and pull all of the rest of the papers. Oh, come on. I can go ahead on and take out the other side of the double-sided stick tape. And I always smooth here back this way. And again, go ahead on and take the backing off, pull that, pull this one, pull this one and smooth from the spine this way. Okay, now from here, I open it up and I'm just going to trim away the extra paper. Trim away the excess. There we go. And book 1 is done. And where are my extras? Hold on. I'm going to try and get one of these pockets on straight on camera, which is a challenge for me. And I probably shouldn't pull it all the way off. But yeah, I'm going to try this. Let's hope for the best. Oh my goodness. I almost got it, excuse me. It's just a little bit of extra room right there. But I think I'm going to try it one more time. Okay, so I'm going to do the rest of the books. Alright, now that I have all the pockets in the books, I pulled out these scraps from the page that I cut up to get the cover. And one of these is a little bit shorter than the other one, but we're going to make it work anyway. I'm going to use these as bookmarks. And I got hello right here. I might have to use different color hello on this red one, or nothing at all, because it may get lost in the sauce. I think that'd be okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually attach, where is my art glitter glue, which I don't see it right now. Oh, there it is. I'm going to use my art glitter glue to attach the hellos just on the very bottoms, to hold, really just to hold it in place while I get while I run these through the laminator, because I'm going to laminate these so they will hold up and stand the test of time. Okay guys, I just got started working it and forgot to turn the camera back on, but let me show you how I finished all these books off. I went on and laminated the scrap piece of paper and a hello that I punched out, and I put it in the pocket on each book. That's just to let people know that there are pockets there, or that there is a pocket right there. I cut out some of the cutouts from another paper pad because this one didn't have any. I got a matching paper clip to put on the side here, like so. And let me pull it out some. There we go. And I put a pen on here, like so. And I made this paper clip out of just some ribbon. and a colored paper clip, and we put a little bit of hot glue on the back to kind of hold it in place, and I'm going to put it right here. There we go. And this is how the Christmas journals are going to look. Well, this is how they look. This is one. And here are the others. They basically the same thing, just a different paper. And I made two particularly kind of what I would think to be kind of masculine, just in case somebody wanted to get one for the man in their life. They're not necessarily masculine, but I think if these were given to a man or a male, that he would appreciate the blue as opposed to all these other different colors. And I think that's it. Okay, guys, that is it. I'm going to package these up. And I think I'm going to put $2 a piece on these, or $2 for $3. I think that's how I'm going to do it. I've only made 8 of these, and these are the books that came in a pack at Dollar Tree, 3 for $1, okay? So they weren't that expensive. Of course, the pens were like 8 for $1. This paper pad that this came out of is a couple of years old. These paper clips, I don't even know. And this is just Dollar Tree ribbon that only needs about 6 inches to work. So it wasn't terribly expensive to make. Even the clothespins, not the clothespins, these paper clips are Dollar Tree. And they were 80 for $1 or something like that. So it wasn't that expensive to make. So anyway, guys, I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye, love bugs.